Hey, welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Thanks for hitting that thumbnail. Today we have a treat from South America. Where? Colombia. Well, what usually comes from Colombia? Maicitos. To make this snack, we're going to take some potato chips, some corn, pineapple jelly, mozzarella, butter, salt, and pepper. Easy. Take our butter. We're going to let that melt down. Butter's melted. We have 4 cans of corn. Drained. What we're trying to do here is we're just gonna saute this a little bit and let the corn caramelize and the butter brown. We must season everything. Salt. You don't want to add too much because the butter is salty, and then the potato chips that are going to go in there are also salty as well. Black pepper, this is optional. I know you Colombians back home are freaking out. You don't do this step. Well, you know what? This is Drunk Apron style, babe. Corn sauteing with that butter. We're going to add some mozzarella in here, and we're going to save half of that to put on top. This is going to be the binder to keep all this stuff together. Mozzarella in, mix that around. Okay, here's the fun part. Take this off the heat. We have an oven preheated 375, and the rest of our mozzarella we're going to sprinkle on top. There we go. We're going to take this, put this in the oven. We're going to bake it about 15 minutes. Take your big bags of potato chips, and what we're going to do is we're going to take all of our frustrations throughout the week out on this damn bag of chips. Nice, that's what we're looking for. Just pulled the corn and cheese delish out of the oven. We're going to take our pineapple preserves. Sounds weird, I know, but it's delish. And we're just going to put a nice thin layer all over the top of this melted, gooey goodness. Take our crunchy potato chips, and we're just going to put these all over the top. I'm now known as Suavecito. After they've tried my Maicitos, they are perfecto despacito. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe-o, el like-a, and thumbs up-a to support us. Besito.